My name is Traci Patterson, a former CRPS patient, founder of Holistic Center Treatment, and also the CEO of our nonprofit HCT Foundation. I received a diagnosis of CRPS following a foot and ankle surgery that went awry. It should have been a routine surgery, and it was a triggering domino to a life-changing diagnosis of CRPS. Now, CRPS, complex regional pain syndrome, is classified as a rare incurable diagnosis, and it's commonly described as the most painful condition in the world. For many people living with CRPS, it's also known as a suicide disease. Over the next 7 years following my diagnosis, what started in my left foot and ankle actually spread through 80% of my body. Conventional, or what we call traditional treatments, including medications, years of physical therapy, 13 lumbar sympathetic blocks, 2 spinal cord stimulators and a battery change, hyperbarics, stem cells, and so much more. They didn't give me the improvement that I was looking for. And I think that's what so many CRPS patients are living with. They actually caused my CRPS to spread. Now, remission is real. I'm living proof of it. I gained remission through methods addressing the dysfunction in the autonomic system, mind-body modalities, promoting healing, and even neuroplasticity, working with the brain. Who would have thought? So I'm excited to share that there is change, there is a way to move forward. And I've been in remission for over a decade. And that speaks volumes, especially if you're living with CRPS. So Holistic Center Treatment was established to provide an outpatient program for individuals diagnosed with CRPS and other complex chronic pain conditions. The program treats patients as a whole, physically, mentally, emotionally, even spiritually, using evidence-based, non-invasive, and even drug-free treatment modalities that's really tailored to each person that we work with, their specific needs and their goals. So this program was created by myself, so we truly do understand what you're going through. I understand the ins and outs of the whole journey with CRPS. And HCT Foundation, our nonprofit, aims to initiate efforts to enhance support for people living with CRPS, to increase awareness and advocacy, provide assistance to those affected with CRPS, and eventually provide the much needed research that we're all looking for. So with a medical degree from UCI, an MBA from University of Phoenix, an honorary doctorate in naturopathy, credentials in clinical hypnosis, and also an instructor, and continuing education courses in palliative care, cancer patient care, PTSD, and even pain management, I am committed to advancing those objectives. The intention is to encourage participation for our nonprofit and individuals and companies to build a collaborative movement that's going to have that meaningful impact for those affected and living with CRPS. CRPS affects everyone, whether it's children, teenagers, even adults. And then we are the underserved community. So it's time for change. Well, providing effective treatments, that's the side of Holistic Center Treatment, to provide evidence-based, non-invasive, and a drug-free protocol to help patients regain their lives. And yes, that's possible. So if you want more information on myself, on our program, or even our nonprofit, please reach out to us, 844-994-0999, and all of our contact information will be down underneath this video. Thank you.